Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to this video. In this video we will be making menudo. Yes, I'm so excited to show you guys, and I'm so excited to eat because I'm starting to get a little hungry. I know you are too, so let's get started with this meal. I have the ingredients right behind me. We'll introduce them, we'll wash them, we'll prep them, we'll get them inside of my olla, and then we will eat. Wait, before we get started, this recipe will be on the website and ready to go in English, then in Spanish, alongside with this video for you guys to watch, follow along, read the instructions, and make it yourself. All right, now let's get started. To begin, we're gonna make sure that all of our fresh ingredients are washed and ready to go. I'm going to be starting out with washing the hominy, rinsing it out of the can, also the cow's foot with the other bones, and the tripe. Now to begin, in a large pot with water filled halfway, I am adding the bones, the cow's foot, along with 1 large onion, the garlic, and have it over medium heat. I'm going to season it with salt. Once I bring it to a simmer on cover, I'm going to cook for about 15 minutes. While the bones cook and start to make the broth for our meal, you will want to start cutting the tripe into 1-inch rectangles. While it cooks, you will want to remove any of the extra foam that forms on the surface. Once all the tripe is cut up and ready to go, we're gonna add it into our pot with oregano, and we're gonna let this cook covered for 2 hours until the tripe is tender but firm. Remember not to overcook the tripe. While the tripe is cooking, we're going to start making our sauce using the guajillo peppers and the ancho chiles, garlic, and cumin. We're going to begin by boiling water, adding the garlic and the chiles so they absorb all the water and become tender. In our blender, we're gonna add about a cup of the water we cooked the chiles in. At first I added a cup, but I realized I needed more, so I added about 2 more cups once it was blended. Once it is smooth, we're going to use a strainer to make sure we remove all of the seeds and everything else. And if the sauce is too thick, you can add more of the cooking water into the blender, shake it up, and continue to add it onto the strainer. After the 2 hours of cooking, we're going to remove the garlic, the onion, and the bones and cow's foot from our pot. This recipe will be on my website at HeidiJennifer.com with the measurements and instructions in English and in Spanish. After that, we are going to add our hominy inside of the pot. I wish I had added two large cans instead of 1. And also adding the guajillo sauce, stirring it around, and then we're gonna let this cook for 30 minutes. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you like menudo and you make it, let me know down in the comments below. After the 30 minutes, grab your tasting spoon and start to taste. Make sure that your salt level is where you want it to be. And if it is, you're ready to serve with some cilantro, onion, some crushed chiltepines, and a little drizzle of limon. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to let me know that you guys would like to see more videos. Until next time, I will smell you guys later.